You want to tap into those that are doing interviews that have very large groups and very large influence. That's where the money's at. Okay? So we got some incredible things happening here in a really big way, and really every single one of us, myself included, because believe me, when I'm doing these interviews with these people, I'm taking notes. Why do you think millionaires read Forbes magazine? So they know what their competition's doing. So they know what people in their circle of influence are doing on a daily basis. Why do you think people read the Wall Street Journal? To stay informed. So when we realized we had this product down pat and that we pulled off a major coup unlike anything any other company's done, we had to put a compensation plan to this. We wanted to see you all financially taken care of. So strategically, when you're thinking about bringing the masses in, do you want a high-end ticket or do you want a low-end ticket? So we kept that same formula in play. So from the second month on here at the Legends Network, we kept it affordable for every man, woman, child, single parent on welfare, college, university student, and third world country. We never wanted the third world countries to be left out of this because there's great marketers in third world countries and they too have a right to make money. So we set the price at $24.95 a month from the second month on. And that's going to be your lifetime residual income. I mean, what a great novelty tool. It's just like getting a newspaper. You wake up in the morning. Now you wake up in the morning, you go to your computer, and you can go listen to a new interview. We put 4 to 5 in every day, and it kind of inspires you and gets you motivated on your day, and it helps you to understand how the big boys and big girls communicate, how they deliver messages, how they posture. It allows you to become more in tune with having intelligent conversations in this industry. So for $24.95 a month, it's kind of like subscribing to your local newspaper where they deliver it to your front door. But with us, it's delivered to your back office. Pretty cool? Pretty cool. But it keeps you up to speed with what's going on in the industry. Now, ready for this? The first month we had to change the price. It wasn't $24.95. The first month we realized that many of you are professional marketers and many of you would like to make money. And many of you are not going to do this unless you're not making money. So we strategically had to come up with the perfect number on the front end as well, too, to create that healthy balance, to create a perfect synergy. And I think we pulled it off. So for $129.95, one-time, lifetime out of pocket, that covers your first month. But at the same time, it also generates a commission structure unlike anything you've ever seen before. There's only 2 companies in the world